Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So I want to ask you, before doing all these questions, I want to ask you, are you also financial literate in your school days? If not, please ask your parents how to manage, how to invest your money. Indirectly, I want to ask you, just learn financial management skills before leaving your country. That is my suggestion. And those who are mature, they must be knowing already what kind of things they can just arrange after reaching over there. So what kind of finances they should have in their hand and in their bank account. Everything you should know it before moving to another country. Everything you should be planned in your mind. Okay, so let's start this question that is also relating to that. So that question was part of 6th July 2023 IELTS exam writing task 2. Let's read one by one and you can see what type of question is reasons and solutions. So what I am going to show in this essay, how to plan format of essay, body, how to write body paragraphs, and definitely I will show you two introduction. This is introduction 1 and 2. Okay, so let's start with first. So these were the highlights of my video. So within 20 minutes, I am making sure that you will get an idea how to write these kinds of essay, how to write IELTS exam essay. Whatever the question statement is given, this is the question statement, this is the type of question. So I will explain you everything. Let's read it. So first, as you know, there are 40 minutes always I am explaining you, and first 5 minutes and last 5 minutes are really crucial, because first 5 minutes you will be planning your essay and last 5 minutes you will be rereading your essay. That how I will be rereading my essay and I will get my mistakes also. So how to plan? It is always read the question statement 4-5 times. Try to understand the statement well. If your task response is wrong, is going towards the wrong direction, so you can't get more than 5.5, I am telling you. Now let's start the reading this question statement. Students leave high school without learning the way how to manage their skills. So this is reality actually. In schools, we are not taught anything about how to manage our finances, like how to invest the money, how to save the money, where to save, and how to do income tax returns, and all so many things relating to finances. School should actively just teach these subjects to everyone, but yes, this is reality. Nobody is teaching us like that. Okay, so they have given you some problem kind of thing, and examiner is asking you reasons, and we have to just provide what are the reasons. First we will just think about the reasons why it is happening, and we will just try to give some solutions of this issue. Okay, so planning, as I told you, read the question statement 5-6 times and analyze the question statement. What is the main topic, and definitely what are the things we are going to discuss in body paragraph. So main topic is students living without financial literature, in financial education in schools, and reasons and solutions we will be writing. Okay, so in advance, okay, let's discuss format of this essay. Where you are going to write reasons, where you are going to write solutions. I will explain it. Now you can see this format. As you know, we have 4 paragraphs. We should write 4 paragraphs and not less than 250 words. Minimum words they have given 250 words. But yes, there is no limit for maximum, so you can always write your 300 or 320 or 330 words. That's enough. If good essay is there, at least 300 words will come out. Okay, so I am not saying that 250 is mandatory. Yeah, it is mandatory, but if 249 or 245 words can go, then if your essay is related to the task, then there will be no issue. Okay, so format. So of course, first introduction. So what is the form? So 4 paragraphs. Just look at this: introduction, body paragraph 1, body 2, and a conclusion. So in introduction, what you are going to write, a 3-sentence formula you should adopt. First is general sentence or statement about the main topic. That's why I am always saying just find out the main topic and its related topic. So second sentence is paraphrasing of question statement. Whatever the statement is given, you have to paraphrase, you have to present the statement in different language, in different words. plus your opinion and your outline statement, means what you are going to discuss in the upcoming in these paragraphs. So you need to explain that. Okay, now body paragraph 1. After introduction, this paragraph is, so of course they are asking you reasons and solutions. So first paragraph we will talk about reasons. At least 2 reasons you should present with their explanation, and 1 example will be there. Okay, example should be related to your explanation. It should not be like that your point is you are saying towards south and you are giving north example. No. So explain according to the explanation. In body paragraph 2, you will be explaining solutions. At least 2 solutions should be there. And conclusion, of course, restate the topic again, means introduce the topic again in different words, but it should not be too detailed. The name of the topic will also work along with the points that you have discussed in the body 1 and 2. And your suggestions are also required, what you suggest about the main topic. Okay, so everything, whether they have asked you or not, you can always give your suggestions at the end in 1 sentence, not 2-3 sentences. Okay, let's coming to how to brainstorm the point. Within 5 minutes you need to just come up with the points. So within 5 minutes, what you are going to do in planning, first you will be rereading the statement 4-5 times, find out the main topic and its subtopics, and of course you will brainstorm about the points what you are going to discuss in body 1 and body 2. Okay, in body 1 we will be writing reasons, so you have to brainstorm. So let's read the question statement again. Every time you have to look at the question statement so that you will not be deviating from the main topic. Okay, students leave high school without learning the way how to manage their skills. Okay, so first point it comes to my mind, lack of money related practical subject in school curriculum. It means school curriculums not updated according to the latest situation, according to the modern situation. Okay, so if second point what I am going to discuss, if the subject is there no practical approach, like nowadays we have commerce stream, there they have subjects like finance, financial management, cost management, so many subjects. ITR is some chapters are also there, but there is no practical approach they are just discussing with students. And not even for commerce students, they should just make it mandatory for every student. In fact, in solution we will discuss these points. So third point, reasons. Third point, reasons. We cannot deny parents also not giving any literature about, not giving any information about how to spend money and all. So these 3 reasons I will be explaining it for body paragraph 1. Okay, now solutions. So what, same thing, but I have written full sentence, not full sentence, points name. You should also write only points name. So don't make this kind of table over there. So you can just like under reasons here or here you can just point number 1, point number 2. Under solution where the question statement is there, so point number 1 solution, number 2 solution. Only this much you will be needing it, or you can brainstorm the example also. And if possible, yes, space will be there in the question paper, you can write it. Okay, you can just plan your essay like that. And what about the solutions what I am offering? Compulsory subjects introduction in school by school educational authorities and some practical. So this is part of this statement. So first and second I have merged it. Some practical assignments or demonstrations. So initially you need to brainstorm so many ideas and then decide what is the important, what thing you can bring out in the first point. It should not be like that you have explained unnecessary point and the important point it came to your mind at the end when you are about to finish your body paragraph. Okay, it should not be like that. Okay, so look at my points. Compulsory subjects introduction in school, some practical assignments like some demonstration or school trips, school educational trips should be there. Taking students to banks and its function, just explaining the functions, taking students to Bombay Stock Exchange, some investment approach, shares, debentures. So everything they can just show, teachers can take them to these places to show them some practical approaches. Otherwise parents can also teach them, but basically topic here is why schools, what are the reasons why schools, students leaves high schools without learning the way how to manage school. So we will just focus on the school management as well as one point relating to parents also. Now coming to introduction. So you can see my first introduction. So don't worry, you can use any one, but I am just giving you this kind of idea that how you can just paraphrase the things. First is in modern educational system. So I have not used any general statement. So you can start with financial. There is no doubt that finances are the crucial part of everyone's life. So without it, we can't manage our life and all. You can just write this thing and then come to the main point, paraphrasing. So here they are saying in the modern educational system, okay, it is evident that many schoolgoers leaving schools without even a practical knowledge of money management skills, which would give detrimental impact in his future. In schoolgoers, in their future. This is wrong actually. Pronouns is also important, but wrong is not, because we are talking about schoolgoers. Their future will come. Okay. And then this is paraphrasing, and then what are the reasons and solutions, what I am going to explain it. So I am giving direct. This is as a result of non-availability or absence of practical subject in school curriculums, which can be resolved by introducing some new finance related activities or educational trips. So simply I have just explained it. These things I am going to explain it in the upcoming paragraphs. Although I have not used that typical language, this essay will discuss the reasons and as well as solutions. So this also you can go, and second one is also simple to understand. Initially you can adopt this and then you can just go to first one. It is considered that most of the students left schools without acquiring the knowledge of managing their funds, which would have detrimental impact on their future. Okay. In my opinion, although they have not asked, in my opinion, learning to manage finances appears to be more rational. It means you are saying that learning these managerial finances, manage finances, it is more important in life. Okay, I am saying this. So this essay will further elaborate on the causes as well as present means write or give some possible solutions in the upcoming paragraphs. Or this essay will further not only the causes, further elaborate not only the causes, but also present some possible solutions in the upcoming paragraph. So this is also introduction. This is also introduction. Now coming to this main body paragraph 1. So how I have written this body paragraph 1, you can see this. One of the main reason, I have started with the reason. So this is body 1. Okay, one of the main reason why so many young students are unable to manage their own finances after finishing their high schools is that. So what kind of sentence I am making it, you can just notice, is that they have not been teaching. They have not been teaching. This sentence structure is also very important. It's too important in writing task 2. Have not been teaching any money management subjects throughout this tenure. This tenure means school time. As a result, so I have announced my point and I am giving explanation and its result. As a result, after entering into adult life, they can have managerial problems like how to save money and where to invest it. So that is the knowledge they are already having, then it will be good to them. So additionally, second point, since decades, school curriculums have been focusing only on theoretical subjects like maths, science subjects and other social science subjects, and nowadays or in modern study education, international languages, they are also focusing. You can write. In fact, syllabus is not updated. So this is more important point. Why I have written in green? So that you can understand more, because otherwise it will be looking same on the screen. That's why I have used these green colors also. So main I am focusing here also, syllabus is not updated. Now coming next, moreover, if the subject is there in commerce stream, So how I am explaining my points turn wise, you can see this. If the subject is there, no practical approach only. So you can see this. If the subject is there in commerce stream like cost management, financial management and many more, yeah, I am giving the example of these commerce stream. Still practical approach is always missing from the school activities. You can add it. As a consequence, pupils are cramming or mugging the book's knowledge only. Okay, so this I had written it wrong. So this is not the thing. But till here you can see my body paragraph, knowledge only. You can see this. I have started from here. This you can learn like, you can write like this only. Up to this only. Now coming to body paragraph 2. Now body paragraph 2, we will be writing about different side means solutions. However, the above stated causes can be mitigated, can be removed with the help of some positive steps which can be taken by the educational government department. So now we will be talking about educational board also. You can write educational board. There should be the introduction of compulsory financial subject which can provide all money related discussions along with some demonstration and practical aspect. So this is my main point. Okay. So to illustrate it, school can organize bank educational trip where a student can learn how to save money in bank account and mutual fund schemes and other risk factors knowledge about stocks, share markets and all. So bank educational trip, bank and BSc Bombay stock exchange markets, you can say. If you are not in India, then you can't write. So you can write anything. Banks and other stock exchange markets, you can just write it over here. And then educational trip where student can learn how to save money and shares, stocks, share markets and risk factors always. So this is example. To add on next paragraph, next line, to add on for more understanding, some weekly assignments should be assigned with a particular amount of money with actual spending in a school canteen. So this is also we were discussing in brainstorm. So you can see this practical assignments, demonstration, taking to bank and all. Practical assignment now I have started talking about. So practical assignment now with the actual money spending in a school canteen. Despite the vital role of school teachers, parents ought to, now see model verb. Despite the vital role of school teachers, parents ought to teach these financial managerial qualities to their children since childhood days. So this is also mandatory for parents. This is also good thing if parents are also teaching their children about finances. Okay, now coming to conclusion. To conclude, young students lack financial management skills due to absence of finance core subject in the school's syllabus, which can be mitigated, means which can be mitigated or which can be tackled. You can write tackled over here. Anything you can use it. If it is given, if I have used it in body paragraph 2 for solution paragraph, then you can use this tackled. With the joint efforts of both government educational authorities as well as parents' participation in explaining these skills. Okay, so these things we have discussed in. This is the reintroduction of topic, and these are the reasons, and these are the efforts or solutions we are offering. We had discussed in paragraphs. So here comes to my suggestion. So I would suggest that active involvement of parents and school mentors to spread awareness among children for this significant financial subject. Okay, so this conclusion you can always write like that. Okay, so thank you so much.